Yes, my good people, we are still on the Igbo projects, and many thought that they have succeeded in balkanizing the Igbos. But like I usually say, pregnancy, you cannot cover it for a long time or with bare hands. Shortly people will understand the truth, and the truth shall always prevail. That is the situation at hand now. Yes, we are all aware that an Ikwerre man is now the President-General of the Igbo body, the world Igbo body, which is Ohaneze Ndigbo. An Ikwerre man, Azuta Mbata, is now the President-General, the overall man, number one man in Igbo. Let me just put it like that, unquote, so that people should not quote me wrongly. So why am I saying this? Yes, it has become clear that some people over social media thought that it is business as usual. They never know that the Igbos have decided that we are going to bring our brothers together once again, that what the enemy thought they have succeeded in balkanizing the Igbo land will not succeed. They cannot succeed in doing that. So now, it is a Rivers man, a senator for that matter, that is the president of Ohaneze Ndigbo. It's no longer news, but we are going to have a glimpse of who this man is and his biography, just a little short biography of this man, Azuta Mbata, who was made the President General on the 10th of January 2025. So now let me, give you from what I have here so that everything will be perfect. There will be no mistakes in what I am telling you. John Azuta Mbata was elected senator for the Rivers East constituency of Rivers State, Nigeria, at the start of the Nigerian Fourth Republic, running on the People's Democratic Party, that's PTB platform. He took office on the 29th May 1999. He was re-elected in April 2003. Then John Azuta Mbata, Senator for Rivers East, his office May 1999 to May 2007, then succeeded by George Thompson Sekibo. Then talking about his personal details, he was born January 1960 in Rivers State, Nigeria. Then Azuta Mbata was born in January 1960. He earned a master's in public administration from the University of Ibadan. He was a member of the Governing Council of Rivers State University of Science and Technology, Port Harcourt. After taking his seat in the Senate in June 1999, he was appointed to committees on defense, works and housing, women affairs, finance and appropriations. As a vice chairman on that finance and appropriation. Then information, special projects, and local and foreign debts. That's the committee he was involved in that while being a Senate. Then in April 2005, the Independent Corrupt Practices and Other Related Offences Commission, ICPC, arraigned Azuta Mbata and others for involvement in an alleged 55 million naira budget bribe scam. Also charged were former Senate President Adolphus Wabara and former Education Minister Fabian Osuji. They were said to have demanded, received, and shared 55 million naira to facilitate the passage of education ministry's budget. Okay. After extended legal battles on 1st of June 2010, a full panel of the Court of Appeal in Abuja quashed all the charges, discharged and acquitted the accused. This kind of a thing is something that is very common now. But let's continue. On January 10th, 2025, Azutambata was elected as President-General of Ohaneze Ndigbo worldwide. Yes, I've given you a glimpse of who that man is and a brief, history of his life and his offices he has been in Nigeria. So, but, back to this Igbo thing. Over there, I heard the governor of Rivers State, Fubara, was addressing his people in pure Igbo language, his people of Rivers. So I wonder where this fake ideology of an Ikwerre man or an Igbo man saying that he's not an Igbo man. I can't imagine this thing. The video is all over everywhere, but there is no need showing you the video. You can check it out yourself. Fubara, the governor of Rivers, he was speaking pure Igbo. People that have not traveled, like me, have not been to that Opobo land. I don't know that their own Igbo is very clear. That is even clearer than some Igbos in the southeast. So who brainwashed some people that that they are not Igbos. That is the worst thing any man can do to himself, to deny his background and where he's coming from because of stomach infrastructures. Igbos are known for they were adventurers. Nothing is new to us, as in we don't fear any situation. Forget what that has happened in the past, but you know what I mean. Put an Igbo man in the desert, is going to survive there. So I don't know why that idea of that we are not Igbos come from. It's not just, it's not common. The people that deceive these people, they must have used strong words and strong, ideology to deceive them, to make some people say that they are not Igbos. Meanwhile, your culture, your language, everything is Igbo. Well, like I said, we are not begging anybody to be an Igbo man. Some people that understand these things, they come out openly and say that they are Igbos, so that they are Igbos, that they don't know where this thing is coming from. And so, my dear, the point is that the people that are rooted, that knows what they are doing in this part of other states that are not in the southeast, that knows that truly that they are Igbos, they are the ones that understand the situation, and they are the ones that know where the tide is going. Forget all these people that come over the social media and be saying all sorts of things, denying their origin. So these people that understand the situation, that are well to do in these regions that I've just mentioned, other part of the neighboring southeast, that knows that they are purely Igbos, they are the ones that understand the situation. And thank God, like I said, an Igbo man is not really much interested in politics, but very, very much interested in the well-being of himself and his people. Well-being in terms of the economic well-being. That is majorly, you cannot deny an Igbo man that one. That's why when things are not moving on well, in and around us, people tend to, feel very uncomfortable about the situation. But an Igbo man will always find a way to succeed. Put an Igbo man inside the desert, he makes water and make oasis out of it. That is the way it is. You can never take it out of an Igbo man. So for now, I'm going to rest my case until I come your way next time. Congratulations to Ikwerre people and Azuta Mbata for being the #1 man in the Igbo land in the whole world. Congratulations once again. I still remain Chinedu. Thank you.